Good evening, everybody. This is James Ramelli from Alpha Shark Trading, here to talk to you guys about a trade that sets up into the end of the year. Now, we talked about this a little bit yesterday, and what we talked about was seasonal strength that we see from this December 18th date through February 18th, so 2 months after that date, based on tax loss selling. But some of the other things that kind of help this trade along its way are other seasonal patterns that we notice at the end of the year, one of them being the Santa Claus rally. Now, this is one of the more popular seasonal trades that you see and hear people talk about. And the Santa Claus rally is a seasonal trend for stocks to rally the week between Christmas and New Year's Day. And really, it kind of sets itself up right around the 23rd of December, which is the day before Christmas Eve. But there's a lot of different reasons why people think that this trend is such a strong seasonal play, right? There's a lot of stuff that happens at the end of the year. Investors buy strong stocks to get them on their books to show people that they were long these names. That's a big trade for fund managers to do. Other tax considerations, general happiness on Wall Street, and of course, people investing their Christmas bonuses near the end of the year, right? All of those reasons are ways that people look at and explain the Santa Claus rally, but none of those really matter to me. All that matters is that statistically the stock market is higher across that time. So what we talked about yesterday was this idea of buying stocks that have been battered down on December 18th, a few days before that rally starts, in order to get in on stocks that have been oversold due to tax loss selling. All right, so a lot of this is driven by this tax loss selling idea, but the Santa Claus rally also helps. So we're going to be talking more about these seasonal trends at the end of the year, because there's a few more that kind of have confluence near the end of the year that kind of drive this trading idea and strategy that has been so successful over the past 40 years. So we're going to touch on more of those tomorrow. But this is another component of that called the Santa Claus rally that a lot of people talk quite a bit about, and is another very powerful seasonal trade. But it's only a part of this other larger trade that we're talking about here, and we'll give you guys more information on tomorrow. So keep your eyes open for that. And as always, have a fantastic evening and happy trading.